Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have ZILLIQA daily update and we are going to see the potential of this coin for 2022. Before we continue, do not forget to join our monthly subscription. Patreon/Mind Your Crypto is the link you will find in the description box and in the comments section. What you will get is an automated system with 200 altcoins. You will know exactly when to buy and exactly when to sell them. You will also get personal guidance every day, a manual system with over 90% win ratio, educational videos to become expert in the technical analysis and learn all the TradingView tools. Okay, market updates, random giveaways, pine scripts for TradingView and many other benefits. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. Let's proceed quickly into the possible price action of ZIL. We are going to go with two scenarios, one very bullish scenario and one bearish scenario. Okay. So we are going to start with the bullish scenario right there, and we are going to end with a bullish scenario with two different price targets, but I will explain what. So right now you can see that on this frame, we are on the daily frame. So each candlestick represents 1 day of price action and contains actually 1 day of price action. We have a very strong support level, the 0.05 around there, okay, for ZIL against USDT. So right here, it is a very strong support level. It is possible, and the history actually is showing back from 5 January 2021 and so on, it is showing that around this area, if we hold this line, then we have a huge pump up. So you can see that we had a pump up right here as well, and right there as well, more of a minor pump up. We will see about the continuation though of this run from ZIL. But let's find out some possible price targets for the 2022 for ZIL. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you two things. First of all, I'm going to draw the simple trend-based Fibonacci extension. We are going to open the magnet and we are going to go from this low on 11 January back to this top, okay, on 6 May and down to this bottom on 20 July. So you can see that we have some important targets in between the high and the low, but we are not going to stay there. We are going to go to the next targets. So for me, it is very possible if ZIL decides to go even higher than the previous all-time high to go into the 0.38. Then we can go to the 0.58, and of course we can go to the 0.79 and the 0.92. So possibly ZIL can make another 4x upwards. Can it go to 1 Tether USD? You saw and realized that it is possible. However, we need a very bullish scenario right here for ZIL, and of course we need for the rest of the 2022 to be in a bull trend, okay? Because we have seen that all in the crypto market and Bitcoin might be dropping down more, okay? Therefore, ZIL will be consolidating near this area, might go a little bit further down upwards, we'll see about that, but if Bitcoin goes down, then it won't let ZIL to go even to the 0.38, except it goes into an impulsive wave mode against Bitcoin as well, okay? So if ZIL outperforms Bitcoin, then yes, we can go even further higher, okay? However, right now, we are waiting actually to see. For ZIL, this is not even, for ZIL against Bitcoin chart actually, this is not even near the top. You can see what we did back on May 2018, okay? So we are at the very bottoms for ZIL against Bitcoin as well. On the weekly frame, you can see that we are not into an overbought situation at all, but we have the stochastic RSI going into an overbought as well. So it is very possible that we find rejection on the 20-day MA and go a little bit down, seeing that on the daily frame as well, we had a very high risk right there, okay? So we might be correcting against Bitcoin, we will see about that. But anyway, for the rest of the 2022, on the long term, I think that it is very possible to get to the 0.92. The first target will be the 0.38 if the scenario of Bitcoin is going to go further above the 100k to actually 80k to 100k around there, okay? So right now I'm going to just delete these messages, remove the drawings, and going to start a new Fibonacci retracement, this time from the top to the bottom. and you can see that we have some important resistance levels as well. We have some more midterm targets. For example, if ZIL was to go above the previous all-time high, it will stop probably at the 0.30, at the 0.33, and so on. Okay, so these are more midterm price targets, but the real long-term can be around 0.92. It can even reach the 1 Tether USD. For those that are saying ZIL can go to the 5 Tether USD, it is soon enough to discuss about that, and I do not think that will happen so easily. The 1 USDT is more of a realistic price prediction than the 6 Tether USD or the 10 Tether USD that I've heard of, or so for some others ZIL can go to 100 Tether USD, but please do not listen to this type of people because they want to have clickbaits so they can increase the views. Okay, the most realistic one is if ZIL goes into an impulsive wave mode, it goes around 1 Tether USD. But what if ZIL has a bearish action? What if ZIL goes below the 0.5? Because eventually, if we go below the 0.5, you know what will happen? We will have many short positions down from this line right here. So the bulls that have accumulated from there already sold. But some other people that are still holding ZIL will be going down, and many people have set their stop losses on below the 0.5 level, because it is very easy to see, okay, and it is very easy to do a technical analysis on ZILLIQA because it has found multiple times this support level. So eventually most of the people would have the 0 point down from the 0.5 around there, for example, around this area, would have many short positions, so it would cause the price to go even further down. I know this sounds very bearish, but imagine that most of the people around here were telling us that ZIL is going up to the 5 Tether USD. Okay, I was just having some videos around this time, this period of time on May, and many people were telling, oh, ZIL is going down to 5 cents. Oh, okay, we are not going to see ZIL going actually down from the 0.20 again. Okay, and look at where it is right now, at the 0.07. Okay, so expect anything of the crypto market. So we are going just to discuss about this, that if we go down from the 0.05, expect a major drop down because of the short positions. But anyway, this is a bear scenario right here. We hope the best for ZIL. We hope the best for you as well. And I do not want people to lose their money. Instead, I want people to gain profits. That's why one of the reasons is I made this channel, so I can help people get profits. Okay, and of course criticize everything and know technical analysis, learn actually technical analysis. So for me, two possible scenarios. One, 0.92 ZIL, we can go there. Yes, we can. It is a possible target, but going down from the 0.05 is also possible, especially if Bitcoin goes down to the 37 and so on. Okay, then we are probably going to see ZIL going down, although this is a very strong support line and we should focus on this one as well. You can see why so many times we found buying pressure on the previous historical days. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/MindYourCrypto is the link you will find in the description box and in the comment section. Of course, see you soon with many more videos. Bye.